Good morning and Sairam children. A warm welcome to all of you. Children, in our previous video, we have discussed about counting from 101 to 200 as well as number names that is from 51 to 100. So today, let's start with a new topic that is our number names from 101 to 150 and tables of 4 and 5. Before that, let's have a quick revision. So, we have done spellings that is from 51 to 100. We have spelling that is from 51 to 60. So, how do we write? First of all, we have to write 50, that is FIFTY 50, then ONE1. What comes next? 52. So same spelling we have to write here, that is 50. Same spelling should come. After that TWO2. Then again 50, same 3. 50, same 4. So children, what do you think here? It means we have to, our first spelling is same as well as when we will write again and again, and then only the last spelling is changing according to the number. If there is write down 5353, so the spelling should be this: FIFTY 5 for 50 and 3 53. Okay, so in this way we have to write ahead also 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I hope you all have done homework at home and doing practice also. After 60 we have 61 here, 61, then 6 belongs to 60, 1 belongs to 1. So the spelling of 60 is common in each and every line. You can see here in each and every line. And the next spelling that changes according to the number. If there is 1, we will write 1. If there is 2, we will write 2. If there is 3, we will write 3. So here in this way we have to write 60 spelling from 61 to 69. After 69 we have 70. So what is the spelling of 70? SEVENTY 70. Okay children? So in this way we have done from 71 to 80, then 81 to 90. After 90 we have spelling of 91. 9 belongs to 90. Then same pattern here: 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and the 100. So I will repeat the spelling of 100: HUNDRED, 100. HUNDRED, 100. HUNDRED, 100. Okay children, now you got it. So in this way you have to write spellings that is from 1 to 100. And I think you have done homework and done practice also. After this, today we will do spellings that is from 101 to 150. Before starting this, let's have a look of the counting that we have done prior also. Here we have the counting from 151, 151 goes to 151 to 200. So today we will write spellings that is from 151 to 200. So let's start. Here we have spelling. The first spelling is 101. So 1 belongs to ONE1, 0 goes to HUNDRED 100, and again 1 goes to ONE1. So in this way we will do 101. Okay, this is the first spelling is written here. 101, 101, 101. So now what we have to do? We have to write again 100, then 2, because our next number is 102. So 102 we will write as 102. Okay, 0 belongs to 100, 2 as usual 2, and 1 is as usual 1. 102. Then 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, and 110. So here you have familiar with the spelling of 1 and all these spelling here, that is from 1 to 10. Only the spelling of 100 is new, not new, but it comes only first time in the prior work. So here we have spelling that is from 101 to 110. So when we will write 110, the 0 will go on away, because here we have 2-digit number, that is 10. So if we write down 0 between 1 and 10, it becomes 4-digit number. So it is better to remove away 0 and write down 110. After 110, here we have spelling that is from 111 to 120. I know you are very well know about the numbers, that is from 111 to 120, because we have done earlier. So here it is very simple to write all these spellings, because 100 is common in all these numbers. Only the last spelling we have to change according to the spelling. And this spelling also we have done when we were doing spelling from 1 to 100. All these spellings have come over there. Okay, so in this way we will write numbers 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120. Okay, now what comes after 120? 121, 121 to 130. Okay, so here we have spelling from 121 to 130. As usual, simple, as we have 100, 100, 100 in all the spellings prior. Only the last spelling has changed because of the numbers. What is the last number? That same spelling we have to write at last. So here we have 121 to 130. So let's start from 121. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, TWENTY 20, and ONE1 21. Again 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Okay, so now you are familiar that how we have to write spellings. Here we have common spellings, that is 120 also there, and with 20 we have to interchange the numbers according to the counting. So if you have done counting very well, if you are understanding the counting very well, you can easily write all these spellings, because before write you have to say the numbers. Suppose I will tell you write down 122. So it is very easy if you know the number, that is 1 belongs to 1, 100 will come because it is 3-digit number, then 22. So sometimes children is confused, there is no 0, but then why should we write 100? But children, you should know, when we write counting after the 100, we should use 100 in saying also as well as in writing also. Okay, after the 130 we have number, that is from 131 to 140. So same 100, 100, 100. Now here in the place of 20 we have 30, 30, 30. Only the last number is interchanged according to the numbers. 134, 135, 136. So in this way we have written up to 140. Now our next spelling, that is start from 41. Here we have for 141 to the numbers 150. Okay, same 100, 100, 100, 100 is common here, and the next number, that is 41, 42, 40 according to the counting. So in this way we have done a number name, that is from 101 to 150. Okay children, now I will show you how to write all these numbers in your notebook. Children, this is maths notebook. Here I have written some number, that is 102, 102, 112, 142, 133, 128, 130, 150 and 110. I have taken randomly. So now I will show you here how to write the spelling of these numbers. So our first number is 102. So here I have written ONE1, HUNDRED 100 and TWO2, 102. Okay, now our next number is 112. So what is the spelling of 1? ONE, 1, HUNDRED 100, and what is spelling of 12? TWELVE, 12, 112. Okay, now the next number is 142. So again write the spelling of 1, that is ONE1, 100 spelling HUNDRED 100, and what is the spelling of 42? So FORTY 40, TWO 2 142. Our next number is 133. Start writing. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 30 THIRTY 30 3 THREE 3 133. Next, ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 20 TWENTY 20 EIGHT 8 128. Again 130. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 130. Our next number is 150, that is 150 150 FIFTY 50 FIFTY 50. Now at last but not least, our next number is 100. I think you have learned the spelling of 100 now, because we have written so many times. TEN 10. Okay, so children, if you see all this number, what is the common here? That is 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 and 100. Only the last number is changing, okay, according to the numbers given. Here also we have 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 as a common number here. Okay, so in this way you have to write your spellings. Now our next topic is tables. So we have done tables of 2 and 3 already. Now our next table is table of 4 and table of 5. चलिए, let's start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Again, start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay, children, this is a table of 4. Now the next table is table of 5. Start. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45, 5 10 are 50. One more time. Let's start. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. So children, this is your homework also, that you have to learn table of 4 and 5 at home, and also start practicing to write spelling, that is from 101 to 150. Okay, so we will meet soon again. Till then, goodbye, Sairam. Keep smiling. Stay home, stay safe.